Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you make informed choices for your tech needs. Today, we're diving into one of the best toner cartridges on the market for the HP M277C6 printer, the 201A Toner Cartridge by rito4colors. If you're looking to enhance your printing experience, stick around as we explore the features, benefits, and why this toner might just be the perfect choice for you. The 201A Toner Cartridge is a replacement cartridge specifically designed for HP's Color LaserJet Pro MFP series, including the M277DW, M252DW, M277C6, and more. It's a 4-pack that includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow toner cartridges. With a striking rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, this product has earned its spot as a reliable choice for both home and office use. One of the standout features of the 201A toner cartridges is their compatibility. Designed to work seamlessly with various HP Color LaserJet Pro printers, this toner offers a high yield, up to 1,420 pages for black and around 1,330 pages for color cartridges at 5% coverage on A4 paper. This means you can print crisp, vibrant documents and images without worrying about running out of toner too soon. What sets the 201A toner cartridge apart is its commitment to quality. Each cartridge goes through a strict testing procedure to ensure it meets high standards of performance and compatibility. You can expect sharp text and vivid colors that bring your documents to life. Whether you're printing business reports or family photos, the quality is consistent and reliable. Installing the 201A toner cartridge is straightforward. You simply need to remove the old cartridge, unbox the new one, and snap it into place. The design ensures that even those who may not be tech-savvy can handle the installation without any hassle. Plus, with this cartridge, you can say goodbye to smudged prints and hello to professional-looking documents. Now, let's talk about the price. The 201A toner cartridge is available for around $69.99, and when you consider the yield and quality, it's an investment that pays off in the long run. With the option to apply a 10% coupon at checkout, you can save even more. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to balance quality with budget. Another aspect worth mentioning is the environmental consideration. Many toner cartridges, including the 201A, come with recycling options. By choosing compatible cartridges, you're making a more eco-friendly choice, helping to reduce waste in landfills. In summary, the 201A toner cartridge by rito4colors is truly a top-notch choice for HP M277C6 users. Its high yield, exceptional quality, and cost-effectiveness make it a standout product in the market. Whether you're printing at home or in the office, this toner cartridge is sure to meet your needs. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy printing!